Hello guys, it's Lily, and as you can see I'm driving my car. I finally decided to make a vlog with questions. You ask me so much guys. Thank you for following my art for so long and for all your good words about my fire spinning. I really appreciate it, and this really motivates me to make more videos because I'm a super busy, or maybe you don't know, I'm a super busy person, and that's why I was thinking, why not, while I'm driving, I anyway have to do this, why not also make a vlog? And I want to say at first that I'm really shy about my English, and I'm sorry if I'm going to do mistakes. This will be inevitable. I'm sorry. The most asked question is, Lily, how long have you been spinning fire poi? And the answer is over 10 years. I was at school at that moment, and I was doing my homeworks, and I was playing poi. One day I watched this video of Japanese fire performer. He was so good, like really good. And the music, the moves, like, everything was so special, and I couldn't stop watching it. I watched it over and over again, and I was obsessed to know these moves and to feel it in the same way of the flow. And actually that's why I'm doing my poi videos, my flow poi videos with fire, with flags, with everything, because hopefully I will inspire more people in the fire art, because I really believe this is a super beautiful thing, And actually some of you guys, I don't know who, maybe you can write down in the comments, like, contact me and write me down. I just watch your videos and I was inspired for playing with poi, playing with fire flow, and I'm like super happy because that was my mission, and I feel somebody give it this like wonderful thing to me, and I am like giving away to somebody else, and I'm very happy. Yeah, normal girls, they go to the shopping malls. I am coming here because I want to buy some more things for my fire shop. And your second question is, guys, what is Divinitas? And Divinitas is the name of my fire group. We are 10 people now, and we are performing in a different kind of events. And the third question, which is related to this one, is how often do you have fire shows? And we have 2 seasons. We have a summer season and we have a Christmas season. So the Christmas season, we perform almost every day, and it's like 20 to 25 days before Christmas, and it's all dedicated to Christmas. So during our summer season, we have mainly fire shows for weddings. And this is like about almost 70% of our shows, and we are very busy Saturday and Sunday. And we have a lot of birthday parties, anniversaries, like corporate parties. I'm very happy with my job. Like, I'm super happy with what I'm doing. And last question is, you guys ask me very much, Lily, do you have life beside the fire? And the answer is no. I am living with fire, breathing with fire, eating with fire, and that's my life. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I actually, like, fire is a main part in my life, and I'm playing with fire for long years, and with Divinitas together we are going to different kind of events. But like, when I started, I was at school, then I was at university, then I worked in 2 companies, and then I finally decided that I want to dedicate my life to a fire show, to the fire art, and I want to share the beautiful part of the fire art to different people in their special events like weddings and birthdays, because they will remember it with their heart, and they will like yeah, we live for emotions in our life. And am I doing like something else? In the last 2 years I finally have hobby, because my hobby is my job, and I finally found a hobby, and this is playing a harp. This is a musical instrument. It's a very beautiful, with very soft sound. I really love it. And yeah, this is my new hobby. And thank you so much, guys, for your questions and for your support, for your likes, for your comments. I really read all of them. So if you want to ask me more questions, please just leave a comment, and maybe I can just not every week, of course, but maybe like once a month I can do like a little vlog video with your answers. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. See you. Bye.